Lesson 10.1, Permutations of n objects taken r at a time. The number of permutations of r objects taken from a group of n distinct objects is given by this formula. What this is saying is sort of like what we just saw in example 4, number B, or letter B. You have 10 teams, but you only want to order 3 of them. This is the formula that we would use in that case. Some people choose to use the formula. Other people choose to think through it like we did in the last example. So let's go ahead and look at number 5 so this makes a little bit more sense. You're burning a demo CD for your band. Your band has 12 songs stored on your computer. However, you want to put only 4 songs on the demo CD. In how many orders can you burn 4 of the 12 songs onto the CD? So there are 12 total songs, which would be our n distinct objects, but we only want to order 4 of them, which would be our R objects. So if you're choosing to use the formula, it would look like this. 12, the permutation of 4. If we follow the formula, that means it would be 12 factorial over 12 minus 4 factorial. We can do some simplifying of this and say, well, that's 12 factorial over 8 factorial. You can do that on your calculator, or you can actually put this initial permutation into your calculator to get the answer. And to do that, you would first put in 12, go to math, all the way over to probability again, choose number 2, and then plug your 4 in. When you do that, you can see there are 11,880 different ways to order those songs. Now, I said we can also do it the way we did the last one, which to some kids is a little bit easier to do. You can choose. I like to think of it like this. I am ordering 4 songs. Okay? For my first song, I have 12 options. Since I'm not going to repeat the same song on a CD, I now only have 11 options for my second song. I have 10 options for my third song, and I have 9 options for my fourth song, which will also give you the 11,880 different choices. You can see what I did here is the same thing as this. And let me show you what I mean by that. 12 factorial is 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 all the way down over top of 8 factorial. And you can see as I'm doing this what's going to happen. Since it's all multiplication, all of these will cross off, which leaves me with 12 times 11 times 10 times 9, which is what we got when we just thought through it using the second method.